It's Monday, March the 23rd, and I'm walking here on Rice Street. I'm gonna do another 4 miles. The last 3 days I'm doing a 4 miles walk every day, and I'm here on Rice Street. That's going south, Rice Street, and that's going north. And I'm gonna walk for about 4 miles, 2 miles this way and then 2 miles back. And I just want to share a little bit of my walk here. It's a beautiful day. It was raining earlier, and as you can see on the ground, we have a little snow, but right now the temps are pretty warm, so I don't think we're gonna get too much any more snow. That's me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, click the button below and subscribe. It's a Monday morning, so coronavirus is making people do stuff like this. So coronavirus is making people, instead of staying home, I decide to take a walk here. So that's what I'm doing right now. Walking the streets. Social distancing doesn't mean you can't get out of the house and exercise or walk. All right, peace, people. They have a residential design showroom over there. Residential design showroom. So there isn't much here to show you. They have a little apartment over there. And so I'll just share part of my walk here. Not the whole distance, of course. As you can see, the time is 10:08 in the morning. They have this South China Island Inn restaurant. This place has been here for as long as I've been in the US. But this has been here for as long as I know, about 25 years. Right now it's closed because you can only get the food from drive-through, and they don't have drive-through. And this is a gas station here. It used to be something else. Now it's BP. And the street over here I'm gonna cross is Arlington. In general, this area is called North End, St. Paul neighborhood. It starts from the state capitol, which is down that way, and it goes all the way to Lapenter. And probably that's where I'm gonna stop and walk back. They have a lot of people waiting for the bus over there. As you can see, they're waiting for the bus, a bunch of people. Also, this coffee cup here, place, has been here for many years, probably more than 30 years. As you can see, they have this field here. This for the school across the street, I'll show you in a minute, used to be called Arlington Senior High School. And sometime in winter, they make this a dome, they cover it. But this year, it seems like they didn't. And they have activities here during the year. The school I'm talking about, they changed the name. It's called Washington Technology Magnet School. It used to be called Arlington Senior High. You can see the sign over there. Washington Technology Magnet School. It's part of St. Paul School District, and as you can see the message there, they are telling people to check their emails for future information because they've been closed for a couple of weeks, and they'll be closed through the end of March, and probably extending to April due to the coronavirus. So again, it's Monday, March the 23rd, and I decided to go for a walk here. And I used to live back there somewhere in an apartment. This was back in 1999, 2000. So you can see open space here. They have AutoZone. Not advertising for them, but They're in the neighborhood and McDonald's over there. They have also a car wash here, which has been here for many years too. Empty parking lot. It's no school, and I'm not even sure what this is used for. Probably when there are activities. Kids playing baseball over there in the back. So, going for a walk. My goal is 4 miles today. I did that yesterday and the day before, Saturday, Sunday, and today. And later on, I'm gonna drive to Eau Claire, Wisconsin to pick up little man from grandma's house. The car wash right now is closed, I think because it's raining. I don't think it's because of the coronavirus, but who knows, maybe that's why. They have a car dealership here, it's called Long's. Like walking long distance. They have Holiday gas station over here, and right across the street from Holiday they have what used to be called Super America. Now they call it Speedway. It's across the street, and they have Hook over here. It's new. It used to be a small Chinese restaurant. I like their chicken, Hook, but not advertising for you guys. And Popeye over here used to be KFC. And these guys are open, but you can't go inside. They're open because you can do drive-through over there. It's Popeye. And across the street they have a Herdside pizza place. And they have the thrift store over there, my thrift store. That's the name. I'm not saying it's mine. That's the name. And here they have this Wild Whiskey Blues Saloon. This used to be called Club Cancun. It was very popular back in the day. KDWB used to come over here to play music. I don't know if it's Dave Ryan or it was someone else, but now they call it Wilbeski Blues Salon. And then there was a shooting. Vikings players were not involved, but the shooting happened to be on a day when the Viking players were here. I don't think anybody got killed, but after that it got sold. Thai street market over there, never been there. I have some apartments in the back, right there. And they have a Taco Bell. Because they're open, because you can do drive-through. But that Club Cancun over there, now they call it Blues something Saloon. Saloon. Salon is for hair. Saloon. What a name. They used to play live music. KDWB will come over there and they'll play live music. I think every Friday night or Saturday. That strip little mall, I'll call it strip mall, but it's just one building. It used to be a little gas station over there. It was closed for many years and then it was sold and people put up a building. That side is Roseville. This is Lapenter here. I'll show you something interesting. On this side of Lapenter, where I'm walking from, going that way, that's St. Paul. So that strip thrift store over there, and they have a strip club over there. This is Roseville. This is St. Paul. And then that building you're looking at, the tobacco shop over there with lights, LED lights, that's Roseville. And then of course on this side here, this is Maplewood, where you see the red car. That's Maplewood, and they have a Walgreens. So that side is Maplewood, and going back this way, Taco Bell, that's St. Paul. And then across the street over there, that's Roseville. So that's how it is over here. So again, this is a boundary of Roseville over there, Maplewood over there, and going back that way, that's St. Paul. Now, I'm in Maplewood because I crossed the street. And over there, they should say welcome to St. Paul, but I'm in Maplewood over here. And if I cross the street and go over there, where there's a pharmacy, that's Roseville. So, and back there where you see the bus coming from, that's St. Paul. So where now I'm at Maplewood, if I commit crime over here, a cop from this side of the street cannot arrest me if I run across over there, because that's outside of their jurisdiction, even though it's only a street here that divides the two cities, Maplewood and Roseville. It has to be a trooper. If they chase you and you go on the other side, only a trooper can arrest you, not a Maplewood cop can cross the street over there to arrest a person in Roseville, and the other way around. If you stole something in that point, America over there, and then you run across the street, you come over here on this side of the street, they cannot arrest you. At the corner over there, I'm gonna zoom, I'll show you. Where it says tobacco and Nepali kitchen, that corner over there where it says groceries, and they didn't finish. That used to be a club, and there was a lot of shooting almost every year, and they closed it. It was very popular for teenagers. They have Caribou, I'm forgetting the name now, but it used to be a very popular club for teenagers. But a lot of shootings happened, the community complained, and it got closed and sold out last year or the year before. Sorry about that. Now I did cross the street, no longer in Maplewood. That's Maplewood there, McCarran Lake Chiropractic and Massage. Probably I should go over there and get a massage one of these days. But probably can't afford it. Maybe they are too expensive. Now I'm in Roseville, and the McCarran's County Park, it's in Roseville. I just walk a little bit over there and show you around. There isn't much to see. One thing I like about it, or I did like about it, they have a little beach over there, and you know, people can swim, but then again, they had a lot of issues with fights and nasty people just coming over there and doing horrible things. And I see one guy walking over there. But there's a park over here. So we used to come over here, and little man would play with other kids. And people can barbecue. You can see they have the benches here and the tables and everything. But again, safety comes first. And if you see stuff that makes you uncomfortable, then what you do? What you do is avoid places like that. And we haven't come back here in 2 years, and we're not coming. Besides, now he's outgrown these parks. He's not going to be playing at the playgrounds. And that's a lake, of course, over there. And as you can see, it's frozen. It's all ice. Sometime in summer, people bring boats and stuff. And people can fish over there. And they usually have lifeguards in summer when they open, I think in July or something. They have lifeguards. All right, for now, thank you for joining my journey here. At this point, I've done 3 miles walk. So going back, if I went back from here, I would have done 3 miles. And you can see the ducks are back. They don't like me, they're running away. They think I'm gonna catch them and put them in a cage and they become a pet, and they don't want to do that. And I think that's a boy and a girl. Usually the boys are bigger and the girls are smaller. Now they're back in Minnesota because winter is over. All right. Again, that's me. Thanks for watching. For now, I'm gonna cut. So hopefully you're staying safe. I am. And social distancing doesn't mean that you can't come out for a walk or you can't go jogging and do exercise. You have to stay healthy too. All right, peace out.